3號強風信號喺晚上8點20分發出。天文台話，強颱風華加莎已經減弱為颱風。喺晚上9點，華加莎集結喺香港之西南偏西大約330公里，即係喺北緯21.6度、東經111.1度附近。預料向西移動，時速大約22公里，掠過廣東西部沿岸地區，並逐漸減弱。隨住華加莎進一步遠離香港並減弱，本地普遍風力亦逐漸減弱，但多處地區仍然吹強風，離岸同高地間中吹烈風。預料3號強風信號會至少維持至到聽朝早7點。受華加莎外圍雨帶影響，本港今明兩日間中有狂風驟雨同雷暴，初時雨勢頗大，海有大浪及湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同停止水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，長洲、塔門同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時71、67同59公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時82、81同66公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 8:20 in the evening. The observatory says, severe typhoon Ragasa has weakened into a typhoon. At 9 p.m., Ragasa was estimated to be about 330 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 111.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west, at about 22 kilometers per hour, skirting the coastal areas of western Guangdong, and weaken gradually. With Ragasa moving further away from Hong Kong and weakening, local winds are also weakening gradually. However, strong winds are still prevailing over many places, with occasional gale force winds in offshore areas and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force, at least until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Under the influence of the outer rain bands of Ragasa, there will be occasional squally showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow locally. Showers will be heavy at first. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Changchou, Tap Moon, and Waglan Island were 71, 67, and 59 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 82, 81, and 66 km per hour respectively.